everybody. Welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where I've been making all kinds of how-to videos for you and your family. So today we are going to be making the coolest bird binoculars. Get a load of these, folks. You can go outside with your binoculars and you can take a walk in the neighborhood and see what kind of birds you can find. Maybe you'll find a sparrow, maybe a red-winged blackbird, and if you're lucky enough, maybe you'll come across a vulture. All right, all you need to do is get yourself 2 toilet paper rolls. Now, this doesn't mean go to the bathroom, pull all the toilet paper off just so you can get your rolls. Wait until the rolls are done and start collecting these, because there are all kinds of activities that you can do with toilet paper rolls. Today, we need 2. You also need some yarn. You will need a pair of scissors, and this comes in very handy. This is a hole punch, and I use the hole punch to make a hole on the side of the toilet paper roll so I can put the yarn in there. You don't have to have a hole punch, but it's really easy if you have one. And the other thing that you're going to need is a hot glue gun, because I found if you try to use other glue, it doesn't work as well because you have to hold it and hold it and hold it forever. This, you just put a squirt of the hot glue on there and it dries fast. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get some markers and you're going to put designs all over the outside of each of your toilet paper rolls. Be creative, use lots of colors, come up with designs, whatever you would like. Next, you're going to take the toilet paper roll and your hole punch, and you are going to punch a hole about 1 inch from the end. And you're going to do that with both of your toilet paper rolls. Only one in each roll. Then you're going to take your hot glue gun after you've designed your rolls and made them very colorful, and you're going to glue the 2 of them together. Put a nice thick row of glue here, and then make sure that your holes from your, where is my hole here? Here we go. The hole is on the outside of both of these. So this hole's on the outside and the other hole is on the other outside. You're going to glue the 2 inside spaces of your toilet paper roll together right in here. Hold it, pinch it, count to 20, and you should be good to go. Next, you're going to take a length of yarn and you're going to make what we would call the strap on a pair of binoculars, something that's going to allow you to hang these. Now, I've already made mine, and I fed the yarn through the hole, tied it off, and then I snipped whatever ends there were. Now, I am ready to go out bird hunting. Aren't these great? It really allows your eyes to focus on a very specific area. So let me know how many birds you come across and anything fun and interesting that you might see. Maybe a woodpecker, maybe a big crow. And if you live in an area where there are bald eagles, lucky you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe so you can see all of the videos that are going to be coming up. And thanks for joining me. Have a great day.